Investing in cryptocurrencies, online shopping platforms, and starting dropshipping might not sound new in this scenario. How about investing in AMC Entertainment Holdings, a company that offers movie theaters worldwide, a field that never runs out of business? Hello Brainiacs, welcome to yet another episode of this channel. So today, we'd be discussing AMC stock prediction and when to buy or sell it. Before we dive in and get high on the stock updates, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We need your support for the growth of this channel. Okay, let's roll. AMC Entertainment Holdings is an American movie theater chain headquartered in Leawood, Kansas, and the largest movie theater chain in the world. Founded in 1920, AMC has the largest movie theater chain in the world. AMC Entertainment Holdings operates as a holding company. The company, through its subsidiaries, provides theatrical exhibition, movie screening, food distribution, online ticket booking, and other related services. After acquiring Odeon Cinemas, UCI Cinemas, and Carmike Cinemas in 2016, it became the largest movie theater chain in both the world and the United States. It has 2,866 screens in 358 theaters in Europe and 7,967 screens in 620 theaters in the United States. On the 23rd of February, it was announced that movie theaters in New York can open in March at 25% capacity, so they're targeting March the 5th. This will be implemented in such a way that it doesn't directly affect AMC, but as an end result, it will bring them good fortune, including the opening of new AMC theaters. So, all these indicate that the status quo of the US is coming back to normal, and the public will benefit out of it since their long-drawn inactivity would come to an end by the reopening of all recreation-related centers, such as movie theaters, where people can leisure themselves by watching a movie. So, this is the recent breakthrough news related to AMC. The interest of the people is captured in such a way that it develops the core of AMC and keeps its business running smoothly. That is all about how it affects the society socially. But from the point of view on a technical aspect, it gained about 15% on 25th February. After this borderline short squeezed up to $26. AMC has been getting crushed. These yellow lines are just technical lines of support and resistance. Among all the aspects of technical analysis, perhaps the most important and actionable concepts are support and resistance. Support represents a low level a stock price reaches over time, while resistance represents a high level a stock price reaches over time. Support materializes when a stock price drops to a level that prompts traders to buy. This reactionary buying causes a stock price to drop and start rising. Conversely, resistance materializes when a stock price rises to a level that prompts traders to sell. This selling causes a stock price to stop rising and start dropping. Sometimes support can turn into resistance and vice versa, so it is important to check on them as it can be important for the future. In the bottom of the chart, RSI is marked, which stands for Relative Strength Index. It is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. An asset is usually considered overbought when the RSI is above 70% and oversold when it is below 30%. So, after this technical breakout, AMC was just trading sideways, but unfortunately it broke down below this bottom trend line. On 25th February, we continued to witness the trend where it was hovering in the realm of $6 for the past 1 week. On this day, it got above 6 and 6.25. And if that is the case, then the next major resistance would follow at $6.50. We have seen rejection on February the 18th and February the 10th, and it acted as support back in February. So, from all this data, we can infer that a lot of shares have exchanged hands at $6.50. If we get above that, it will lead to a bullish price. Right now, in the post-market trading, we're already trading above $7. If the stock can achieve above that on some series volume and it can hold, then most probably it'll hit $8.40. Even though it did shoot up like $20, AMC has just not filled the gap yet and has huge potential to fill the gap and make huge runs. People are expecting it to hit $400 minimum, and some people even look forward to hitting $1,000. It would be a tremendous achievement for AMC if it rises enough to uphold the price of $500 compared to the $5.75. On February the 22nd, the graph of AMC is up and has filled some gaps, so it kind of closed after hours a week back from this day at about $5.72. But it came all the way up to about $5.82. The pre-market volume is not a big factor in the pre-market unless something huge is happening. Pre-market trading activity generally has limited volume and liquidity, therefore large bid-ask spreads are common. Many retail brokers offer pre-market trading, but may limit the types of orders that can be used during the pre-market period. Several direct access brokers allow access to pre-market trading to commence as early as 4 a.m. EST from Monday through Friday. In the Reddit post, many people posted things like, "Let's blow up AMC to $400. Let's go, bye bye bye." So this is not the Wall Street, it's the Wall Street Bet Elite. So it's got 347 members, which is still very huge. Some people in the comments section even posted that AMC going above 4,000, which would be incredible. In the sell limit, this guy tells not to set a sell limit on your AMC shares because it's like an algorithm for all these things that happen and manipulation. But this guy is not trying to sell at any price lower than $500. Now let's take a look at the graph. The dark blue line represents AMC, and the yellow line that shows a high peak back in 2009 and 2008 is Volkswagen. The teal line is GameStop. Now, I just want to appreciate how that peak was covered by Volkswagen. It rose to 1,400%, which is amazing. When we analyzed Tilray in the 5-year chart, Tilray did get short squeezed a while ago, so they made a huge jump in the overall price up to 400%, all the way to $150, and Tilray was like a 25 stock at that time. When we look into some short interest ratio, we can see the short volume ratio on AMC is only at 18%, which is still very high, but it's not high enough to cause anything incredible, with the volume being at 40 million and short volume being at 7 million. We could see some big changes, especially if the short volume ratio were to increase, which would be a really good thing to gain. AMC Entertainment Holdings said in January that it had raised $304.8 million by selling shares during an unprecedented social media-driven rally in its stock, though the US movie theater firm could have raised about 4 times more by waiting one more day. AMC was forced to raise capital to stay afloat after its ticket sales plunged 80% in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak. It staved off bankruptcy last year thanks to a debt restructuring deal with its lenders and private equity firm Silver Lake. AMC share prices have soared close to 300% at various points over the past 2 weeks, as traders in the Reddit social subgroup initiated what is commonly referred to as a short squeeze. Some who think they missed their chance to take advantage of the GameStop jump are considering investing in AMC because they think there is still some upside to take advantage of. The AMC stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $6.54 and $5.76. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume is rising, along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Now, 10 Wall Street analysts have issued buy, hold, and sell ratings for AMC Entertainment in the last 12 months. There are currently 4 sell ratings and 6 hold ratings for the stock. The consensus among Wall Street analysts is that investors should hold AMC Entertainment stock. A hold rating indicates that analysts believe investors should maintain any existing positions they have in AMC, but not buy additional shares or sell existing shares. However, AMC holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. So, it's not a bad choice to consider buying it at these current levels, and we can expect further gains in the future.